Hey friends, you know as they say, if you want something to be done correctly, do it yourself. In this video, I will show you how to change your air filter on Yamaha Vmax. The air filter is placed under the fake gas tank, exactly near. That's why your little friend feels so cool when you're riding. Let's get started. Remove driver seat. Now remove the electronic panel cover. Remove these 4 bolts. Next, 4 bolts holding the fake gas tank, 2 in front and 2 from each side under the driver's seat. Now you are safe to remove the fake gas tank cover. To take out air intakes, you need to remove 3 bolts for each, 1 in front and 2 in the back. Next, you need to remove 2 bolts holding the CPU to shift it a little. But before you do that, unplug the plus cable from the battery. As you can see, I did not do that. Fortunately, it did not cause any damage. The last barrier is the filter cover. It's been held by 7 bolts. The 7th one is covered by CPU. That's why we need to shift it. That's it. Take the air filter out and replace it if necessary. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider to like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Have fun on the road, and I wish you all no nails, no cops on your ride. Good luck.